Hello,
Welcome to Prodigy Exclusive Company.
today we'll be taking you to one of our recent installations in Abraka, Delta State, Nigeria, a city of knowledge and power. This is Delta State University, Abraka. We are here for the installation of our 2500 watts capacity solar generator. The project is divided into two. Project 1, installing the solar panel on the roof. The panels are well mounted with the right tools.
Now the installation is fully completed. The system is designed to power some of the basic appliances in the house, which are TV, low energy consumption fan, lighting, home theater, inverter fridge or inverter freezer, blending machine, plus other low energy consumption appliances in the house. It also power this washing machine. All the lighting in the house, it also powers every lighting in the house. Though some of the appliances are not fully installed in this house yet, you can have this kind of system in your 3-bedroom apartment, your office, and your workplace. We do away from running generator every day, all night. Do away with it. You have a free energy generator that powers all your appliances, and it's free maintenance, environmental friendly. You can take it to wherever you want it to be. You can move it around, it's movable. Kindly send us message if you want to know more about this product. This is Hair Tamako inverter freezer. It powers it very well, and we are always there to attend to you, to answer your questions that you like to know about the system.